We are going to be making shapes, but we're also going to be looking at using broadcast and receive to get one sprite to start making the shape after the other sprite. So I will start with a background. So to draw my shapes on, I'll probably find a fairly plain background. So something like a brick wall or something. Here we go. And we don't need scratch, so he can go. So I'll find a couple of little people that we can use. So let's find Giga and Gobo. So we'll use him to start with. Not necessarily going to animate him. You can just do his thing, we'll see, and then we'll get the other one. And Gobo, there he is. I'll actually swap them around. Go here, he can go here. Right. So they've both got starting positions, so I'll start him there. He shall start here. So basically, to draw a shape, we will mathematically understand that closed polygons have a total of 360 degrees. So we're going to be looking to, the move will be the line. So make it a line. And it doesn't matter which way we turn as long as we turn the same, well, virtually turn the same way each time. So if I'm going to make a hexagon, it'll be a 60-degree turn. And always put a little bit of wait time in so we can actually see what's happening. And we will repeat that 6 times to make the shape. Now we're not going to make very much unless we actually have the pens. So I need to go into here, and here's our pen. Right. So erase all will be a good one to have at some stage, so when we start again we start with a clean slate. Pen down is good, pen up afterwards is good so that we don't make a line in between. Setting the pen colour. Right, we can probably be something fairly light. As you find, white's pretty good on here. And then the pen width is another good one. Pen size, there we go. So we want something fairly decent so we can see the pen writing. Okay. Erase all. Make sure it's in the right place. Set the pen colour. Put the pen down. Pick the pen up. Now you might want to change where he goes to, so you might want him to glide somewhere first before he does anything. So maybe he can come up here. To draw on the wall. So we'll see how that looks. So we'll take a second to glide there, put the pen down, and away he goes. Okay, let's see how this looks. Pretty cool, except it's a bit low down. I really want it to be up on the wall. So I might get him to glide way up here. That looks like it could be good. Ah, I had two glides on there, not helpful. Try that again. There we go. Oh, now I've got change pen size by 4. So every time I do this, it's going to get fatter and fatter. I really want to set my pen size to 4. Okay. So every time I repeat the program, it'll just get fatter and fatter. There, I'm loving it. And then he can glide back to his original position. Minus 193, 2 minus 127. Now, it depends how you feel about him going upside down while he's doing his thing. So you could set his rotation to left to right so he doesn't do that. There he goes. Right, when he's back where you want him to be, you can start on the flag. Then you broadcast a message. And he's going to be telling him it's his turn. So coming over here, when the sprite receives your turn, he's going to virtually do the same thing. He's going to do a different shape though. So once again we go to the pens. We're going to set the pen colour to white. We're going to set the pen size to 4 so we can see the line easily. We are going to, now we're not going to erase all with him because otherwise his shape will disappear. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to have a pen down, definitely the pen up, and in between. Now I've got here, I was going to do a pentagon. So it's going to be doing 5 times. I'm going to move 100 steps for my line. And we'll probably go this way this time. And I take it that should be 72. And a little bit of wait time so you can see what's happening between everything. There we go. And yeah, put that there. Probably going to get him to glide back down to his original position once the pen's up. And where's he going to start? Oh, this can be a bit tricky. It's a different shape, so we'll start them around about there, shall we? Before we put the pen down. Okay, try that. Oop, epic fail. So, I need to probably put them over here somewhere. Let's have a look. Okay, going somewhere else now. Good. Oh, have I got change as well on that one? Change pen size by. I'm sure I said set. Never mind. Set pen size to 4. Here we go. Right. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm going to get pedantic about where he's going to start. That's pretty good. I quite like that. Okay, so I can now put that onto here. Now, obviously, once I've glided him back to where he is here, I don't have to have a start here, but sometimes I just leave it there because then I absolutely know that's where it's going to be. So now when I click the flag, it should all run together. So he will start, and then this little fella, he won't go until he receives your turn. So we don't have to worry about telling him how long he has to wait from the start or anything. He goes after this one's finished. So there we are, that's done. So the only other thing would be is, once again, if you are worried about him staying upright while he's doing his thing, make sure you put in that you're using the left to right rotation style. So there we go. So that's very simply how you use a broadcast and receive. And also this is a great little exercise when children are learning angles and how to make closed polygons. Okay, thank you.